Temu lovers, get ready! I've found some amazing Temu products that are budget-friendly, super cute, and actually work. Let's dive into my favorite finds. First, Gel Highlight Stick. Gel Highlight Stick. It naturally brightens and enhances facial features with fine glitter. 2. Panda Silicone Night Light. It is touch control, USB rechargeable, soft LED bedside lamp with 3 brightness levels and auto off timer 3. Modern LED makeup mirror. It is touch control, battery powered, 3-color lighting, touch control and adjustable brightness. Portable folding design. 4th charger cable organizer, compact charger cable organizer pouch with keychain. It is easy to travel. 5. Mobile shoulder hanging chain. Mobile shoulder hanging chain. Outdoor travel mobile hanging rope is so beautiful. You can hang in neck or in hand. You will not worry about mobile. 6th, butterfly spiral ponytail holder. It is elegant butterfly bubble, braided spiral ponytail holder for girls. 7. Retractable hair comb. It is retractable hair comb and also scalp massage brush for all hair types. Easy detangling styling. Comment which product do you like?